Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making a one-pan garlic butter chicken. This goes from cooking to table in 20 minutes. Perfect for a weeknight meal. This is my family's new favorite dinner and I had to share it with you. So let's get into it.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. Start by butterflying 2 chicken breasts. I like to start from the thicker side of the breast, working my way down to the thinner side. This helps to prevent cutting through the bottom of the breast. Once I'm most of the way through, I open it up. I then finish cutting so that I have 2 even pieces. Cover your chicken pieces with a piece of parchment paper or plastic wrap. This provides a little bit of extra protection while you pound out your breasts. I'm using a rolling pin to pound them out into nice even pieces. Lightly season both sides of your chicken breast with a sprinkling of salt. To dredge the chicken, mix half a cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Then give it a few cracks of fresh black pepper, as much or as little as you like. Mix that together with a fork. Turn your sauté pan onto medium-high heat, and in goes 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter.
Using the olive oil at this stage allows us to bring the temperature up higher and not burn our butter. But the butter adds that little bit of extra flavor.
While that's coming up to temperature, let's dredge our chicken. Pop your chicken breasts one at a time into your flour until it's completely coated. Place your floured chicken into the hot oil and butter. These will cook for about 4 to 5 minutes aside. Now let's prep for our sauce. Crush 10 cloves of garlic. After all, it's garlic butter chicken. Finely chop a large handful of parsley. Cut the leafy bits off of the thicker stalks, but pop those stalks aside because they're perfect to use in a veggie or chicken broth. When your chicken has become golden, give it a flip. Our chicken is cooked through, so let's get it out of the pan, and straight in goes our garlic. You're going to let that toast up for about 20 to 30 seconds, just so that the garlic becomes fragrant. Add in a tablespoon of white wine. This will help to release the fond off the bottom of your pan. All of that flavor is going to cook into the sauce.
If you don't want to use white wine or you don't have any in, just leave it out. It'll taste just as great.
Add in 1 cup of chicken stock. I'm using a homemade chicken stock, but any good quality chicken stock will do. We're going to let that come up to a simmer and start to reduce. And once that shimmery look has sort of left the top and it's reduced slightly, it's time to add in our parsley. I just love the beautiful, vibrant green that the parsley gives this sauce. And now to finish the sauce, we're using 6 tablespoons of butter. You want to keep stirring your sauce until that butter emulsifies into the chicken stock. Give it a taste for seasoning. Now slide your chicken back into the pan, and if you've got any chicken juice left on that plate, make sure to get that in the sauce because that just adds extra flavor. Spoon your sauce all over the top of the chicken so that the flavor permeates through your chicken breast. This sauce goes so well over mashed potatoes or rice, but I like to stir pasta into it so that it absorbs all that beautiful garlicky butter flavor. Enjoy!
If you're a one-pan chicken fan, check out my Marry Me chicken here. And if you want something a little fruitier, check out my peach chicken. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.